Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. We got more content coming for you.
What's up guys, Baker Rebuilds. We're here doing a light switch on we're here installing aftermarket Vland lights on my brother-in-law's Evo. Got bulbs to go in it. We've got new bulbs for Foglights. That's my brother-in-law Devin. And he was finally able to get his dream car, so we're gonna have some fun with it. Woo-wee! Look at them lights.
Cool. Where should we start?
First step, jack up the front of the vehicle. Makes your life a little bit easier getting this front bumper cover off. There's 3 plastic pinpoints holding in the fender well cover. You'll have to remove those 3 on each side. You'll have to take your 2 ram air pins out to remove that plastic piece. Should just be 3 plastic pins to get this larger plastic piece off. Alright guys, getting that plastic off. Revealed 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. And then up above the 3 clips, you have a 10mm bolt on each side. That's enough. Alright guys, next one is this bottom one right here that attaches to this black bar. It's right in the center of the front bumper cover. This bumper cover's been off a couple times probably. We know that with the history of the car that it was probably in a front end collision. So on ours, we've got 1 plastic clip and then 5 bolts across the bottom of the under tray. So then you're gonna pull your bumper cover down at first a little bit to clear this square nub where your bolt goes into, and then these tabs just pull outward straight this way to break them free. And on each side you'll have a white plastic clip, which I think on this side we're still attached.
Yep.
And she's off. Now we just need to disconnect right there. Now we just need to disconnect 1 plug. And she's free. There's the boosty boy with no bumper cover. So now for our headlights, there's 4 bolts. There's 1 right there. 2 on top. And this top one right here. Take those 4 bolts out, unplug your wiring harness on the back of your lights, and out they come. So this little ball nub right here clips into this plastic clip, so just be gentle when you're coming out of that clip so that you don't break it. So with how tight the clearances are on this side, you'll want to pull your coolant overflow up out of the way. This little keyed backside just slides up out of this spot right here, and then you should be able to have enough room to undo your DRL light plug. So for our new lights, there's the ball doohickey that goes in that plastic clip, your main harness plug, and your day running light plug. But before we get to that, you'll have to remove this. Just twists and comes out, and then you'll fish this black and blue wire out that has your plug for your new light. Undo this clip, you'll push down and push together to flip it open. Get your new Vland bulbs and get ready to put them in. So you're going to take your plug that is on your light. So on this plug that's on your light, it doesn't seem to be labeled on this side, so I'm going to work off the assumption that black is the negative side. And on this plug, you have a negative and a positive. Make sure you put that negative on the negative side. Work with me here. There we go. So that just sits, the round part just sits right down there and sits right into its seat. And then you'll just replace this the opposite way you took it off. And once you're done with everything, you're just going to tuck the box and the plug back into the light. Make sure to replace your cap. You definitely don't want to get any moisture or road salt up in there. Alright guys, the Vland lights come with this wiring harness for your day running lights. You're going to need to plug this plug with the fuses on it into your fuse box. Push the tab, and then you move the cover to the rear and bring it over that nub right there to get it off. So we're going to take our plug and we're going to put it into this open slot right here. So now for a cover to fit, we're going to snip a little notch in the plastic so that it can sit down over that cable and still protect all of our fuses and relays and everything in there. So our wires coming out of there for the day running lights, and then we tucked it behind that brace bar. Where's our plug? Did that move on us? There it is. There we go. This is the day running light plug that we're going to use from our new wiring harness. Your old day running light plug is just going to hang there. And then we're going to zip tie this with this wiring over to this side. And we'll have this day running light plug over ready for the passenger light to go in.
Hope you enjoyed the ASMR on that. Zip tie the slack, the cord, so we can keep it tucked and clean.
No, here goes nothing. So we've got our driver's side in. We're going to put our passenger side headlight in to the same point with the harnesses attached. But for now it's just hanging. It's held by the square bracket and the ball in the clip. We'll leave it at that point so that we can test them and everything before we get too far and aren't sure if they work. This bronze copper looking deal, both of these, those are your headlight adjustments, so that after you get them in you can set them to exactly wherever you want them. Alright Devin, go ahead and do the honors.
Oh, we gotta test the lights.
We gotta plug that last harness in. The big plug.
Same thing, no. Wanna test them?
Alright, time for the moment of truth. Start smoking. Woo! Yeah, baby, yeah. Give me a left blinker. Ooh, right blinker. Give me brights. Brights? Leave the headlight on and... Oh, there you go. Okay. They work. They're mad sexy.
I gotta go see. I gotta go see. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
All right, guys. Now it's just the opposite process to reassemble. You have 4 bolts on the headlight. Put your front bumper cover back on. Don't forget that plug. And oh man, I can't even remember.
We're also going to change out the bulbs in the fog lights, so we'll walk you through that.
Yeah, we've got new bulbs for the fog light. So for the fog lights, we're going to undo this clip. Maybe. There we go. There's the old bulb. We're going to take your new light, reattach the plug, line up your tabs, and pop her in as she's not going in. There it is. That's all there is to it. He's a car! Oh man. Alright, let's get this thing on there. What are you doing? Oh gosh, hitting your car with your car. Oh, hold on. Okay.
The biggest important thing,
Hold on, since we're right here,
is getting that first clip done. And then getting your white clips to line up. These white clips in here.
I can't tell. Hold on.
You need your light?
I have one. Maybe. Should be good on this side. I think you're lined up, it's just not quite clipping in. Yep. Okay, there we go. Hold on just a sec. So that white clip on the bumper cover, guys, clips into the bracket on the bottom of the headlight. Want to make sure that's lined up and you don't snap anything. Is it bent? Fired. There we go.
The front end looks way better.
Way better. Foglight test.
Ready?
Yeah.
Did anything happen?
Nope. There they are. Fog lights both work.
Sick.
Alright guys, to finish up, make sure you plug that harness in for your fog lights if you have them. Don't forget this screw down here on the center support. 4 bolts up top, just like we took it apart. The screws and pins for the front cover on the bottom. The bolt and 3 plastic pins on each side of the bumper. And then you can put your plastics back for your cover right here and your intake ram. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. There's a learning curve. Yeah, I'm falling. Can you keep me coming?